Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new Tech Reviews and Gadgets episode where today we're taking a look at a rechargeable hand warmer that could also be used as a power bank. And you guys are currently watching CrewElite. In today's episode, we're taking a look at the Sophilo Power Delivery 20-watt hand warmer and power bank. And this is essentially critical, especially if you live in a cold environment where like your hands get too cold. You can utilize one of these hand warmers to instantly heat up your hands. This does have 3 different temperature levels you can switch to, and since it's also a power bank, you can use it to charge up your phones and other devices you may have laying around. As always, product information, specifications, and details will be listed down below in the video description, alongside with the link to make a purchase if you're interested in buying this portable electric hand warmer and power bank. But right now, what we're going to do is actually move on to the first look and unboxing portion of this video. So the front of the box of this portable hand warmer is pretty presentable. There's a lot of features and specifications, and what I'm going to do is actually move this over to a secondary camera angle. So on the front of the box, we just get the company's branding. It says Power Delivery 20-watt hand warmer and power bank, and we have a visual representation of the power bank and some few specifications and details listed at the bottom. And right here, there's a few specifications again, whole surface even heating, 3-level temperature settings, USB charge and discharge, and ultra large battery capacity, and also power delivery fast charging technology. And here we have a larger list of specifications and details if you want to take a pause and read that. But let's actually proceed to get inside the box, crack it open, and actually test out this hand warmer. So let me open up the box. I'm just going to pull that back. We're just going to pull out all the different contents that are actually inside here. There we go. Wow, there's a lot of things included in the packaging. So it looks like we get included with a USB Type A to USB Type C cable, and they kind of have like a violet kind of filling inside, which is kind of unique and interesting. And it looks like the cable is actually pretty long, which is good. We have our user manual, obviously, and we also have a nice little portable bag that you can actually put the hand warmer into when you're not using it, which is nice to see. And then additionally, we have the hand warmer itself. So let me pull it out of its bag. And you can see, wow, this is actually a massive hand warmer. You can see we have a digital screen which will light up once we do power on this hand warmer. And it looks like there's actually 2 ports. So we have a USB Type A and we also have a USB Type C port, which is awesome because now that means you can charge multiple things. And on the side here, it looks like we have our Celsius and our Fahrenheit button to switch between the 2 different modes if you use Fahrenheit or Celsius. And we have our power on and off button for the heating. But overall, it is kind of bulky though, and it's pretty big. I do like the grip you get with this hand warmer. Especially with where I live, it does get extremely cold. We get temperatures as low as -20 Fahrenheit, maybe even -25 at sometimes. So it's really important for us, especially where I live, to have these types of devices handy because it does get really cold where I'm at. And then with the user manual, you just get a larger list of all the different specifications and features that this portable hand warmer has to offer. And it's actually double-sided. You can actually see all the different features listed out through this user manual. So now let's actually proceed to testing out this hand warmer. And in order to actually power it on, you simply need to click on this multifunctional button that I showed you guys. If you click on it one time, it will light up the screen. So you can see right now we have about 55% battery, and you can actually see there's a battery indication at the top right corner as well. So let me do a quick demonstration of me charging up my phone. I'm gonna take my phone here. Let me just clear out all my notifications. And we're just going to simply plug this into this this portable battery. And I am actually going to utilize the cable that they supplied, but this is meant to charge up the battery. But since my phone does support USB-C, I can simply just plug my phone into this and plug it into that USB Type A port, and I'll show you guys. Let's plug this in, flip it around. There we go. And you see my phone is actually charging. It's actually doing a quick charge. But there is one thing I do need to mention. So if you want to get extremely fast charging, utilize the USB-C port. But if you use the USB Type A port, you will get fast charging, but not as fast as that USB-C port. And then obviously, if you use both ports at the same time, it will split that power among the different devices you have plugged in. And there's actually a nice little green thunderbolt that you can see right there, letting me know it's charging up my device. And you can see it's already going down in the percentage right now. So now, let's say I wanted to access the hand warming capabilities of this portable battery. In order to access that, you simply just need to hold down the multifunctional button, and we should see it switch over to the hand warming mode. Let's see, let me click it again. There we go. So you can see now we're in the hand warming mode. And this is actually the default. So 113 Fahrenheit is actually the default setting for this hand warmer. And you can see it's actually giving me that icon to the left of the side of the screen right now. So right now it is heating up. I can already feel it heating up a little bit, and it's starting to get hot. I wish I had one of those heat guns or something like that to show you guys, how hot this is getting. But it is starting to get hot with this, the few moments I've, had this on. And there is 3 different levels you can go from. And in fact, let me actually read to you guys the different modes you can have this to. So the default or the lowest temperature is 113 Fahrenheit, which is about 45 degrees Celsius. The second level is 122 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 50 Celsius. And then the third temperature, which is the highest temperature, is 131 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 55 degrees Celsius. If I click it again though, we should increase it. There we go. This is our second highest mode, and this is 120 degrees Fahrenheit. So right now it's heating up to 120 degrees Fahrenheit or 122 degrees Fahrenheit. And you are able to switch between Celsius and Fahrenheit by clicking that button that I showed you guys on the top here. So if I wanted to, I can actually see the Celsius degree right there, but I can switch back to Fahrenheit because I do live in the States where Fahrenheit is our, metric that we utilize. And if I click it again, we have the highest temperature, and this is 131 degrees Fahrenheit. It does take a few minutes to heat up to the maximum temperature, so do keep that in mind, but this is definitely giving me great relief, especially if it was cold outside. I can see how practical this product is. Do keep in mind with this portable hand warmer, you can't utilize the hand warmer and charging at the same time. I mean, that doesn't even make any sense. So do keep that in mind. But overall, it is a pretty functional hand warmer and portable battery, because I like how you can easily, switch between the 2 different modes, and you also have the ability to charge up multiple devices through this portable battery. So one of my final opinions and remarks about the Sophilo 20-watt power delivery hand warmer and power bank. Well, as you guys saw from my demonstration, my quick little demonstration, this is a very practical product. It's one of those products that it offers a lot of convenience and also a lot of relief. So it's one of those things that it has like a dual purpose. You can use it to heat up and warm up your hands, but you could also use it as a normal power bank. If you did enjoy this video, I would greatly appreciate it if you went down below and hit that subscribe button, and also turn on post notifications on to get updates and alerts when we do upload. Have any questions or concerns, leave a comment. Enjoy the video, leave a like, and also share this video to anybody who may be interested in some sort of portable power bank or hand warmer. As always, product information, specifications, and details will be listed down below in the video description, alongside with the link to make a purchase if you're interested in buying this portable power bank and hand warmer. Thank you all for tuning in to this new edition of Tech Reviews, Gadgets, and More. I had a blast making this video, and I hope to see you all on the next episode. CrewElite signing off. Thank you all for watching, and have a good rest of your day.